Satnam. Let's perform a very cleansing and nourishing spinal twist. So this is one exercise you can simply do in the morning before eating. Come to sit in rock pose. So make sure that your feet are together and that your sitting bones gently touch the heels. Sit up straight, roll your shoulders back, and then your hands going to be turned around. So you're going to have the thumb in the back holding your elbows and your 5 fingers extending forward. So make sure that your elbows are in the same height as your shoulders. Okay, so I'm gonna time us for 1 minute. So we are inhaling to our left on Sat and exhaling to the right Nam. And that sounds like this. So you can keep your eyes fully closed or keep them 1/10 open, whatever suits you. So it is quite difficult and challenging to actually keep them open, so you can always perform with fully closed eyes. So let's time 1 minute. Inhaling to begin, exhaling full and complete, and go. Return to the center, gently open your eyes, take your arms up, retain your breath, and exhale, and rest, slightly tuck your chin, and let the energy you created circulate. Important that after performing deep breathing, you give your body time to relax, to integrate your exercise. So sit up to 3 minutes and then continue with your exercise.